my dummy head is going to be my client. Okay, I specifically bought this dummy head for braid training, so I'm just going to teach beginners how to part hair for small knotless braids. This is very detailed tutorial. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to part. You are going to part from ear to ear. Okay, just as I'm showing you now. Part your ear to ear. Now the second thing you are going to do is part the middle. Okay, from your nose, part the middle side. Okay, now we are going to be working on one side. And from the front, I'm just going to divide one side. I'm going to divide it into two. Now in the front, I'm going to have 6 rows in the front, and below my ear is going to be 3 rows. Okay, for small knotless braid. If you want it more smaller, then you make the down side 4. Why this one you make it 7 or 8? Okay, my videos are very detailed. Like I always say, I don't really know how to explain, but I always try as much as possible to make my videos detailed. Okay, so I'm simply just going to be parting my hair section. I'm going to be parting and cornrowing it. Okay, keep watching. So I just did the first 3 rows in the upside. I'm going to do another 3 rows until I get to the middle. Okay, keep watching. So I'm done with this side. I'm just going to repeat the same process the other side. Okay, this time around it's not going to be very stressful because from the other one I did, I'm just going to be parting my hair from the other one I did. You can see what I'm showing you with my hand. I'm just going to be parting the hair from the other one I did. Okay, so it will be very, very easy for me. Okay, I'll be cornrow. I cornrow while I'm parting the hair. Just keep watching, you understand what I mean. So if you are a beginner trying to learn braids, I think you should watch this video and pay very close attention, because this video is going to be very, very helpful to you. Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how to make knotless braid, but for now this is how to part small knotless braid if you are confused on how to part hair. Okay, there are so many ways to part hair, but this one is very, very simple, less stressful, and it's very, very understandable. Okay, now I'm done. You can see how everything looks. I got 6 braids, like 6 rows. Okay, from my ear to ear to the front, I got 6 rows. Now I'm going to part the down part, and I'm going to be, this side is going to be 3 rows. Okay, I'm going to make it 3 rows, or you can make it 4 rows. It depends on how small you want it to be. Okay,
your smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies.
now this is the last one. Okay, so voila, this is just how to part hair, no stress. Now I'm simply going to show you how to braid it. Okay, I'm not going to be doing the knotless thing, but I'm just going to show you how to like part it. Okay, so you get a very clean part and neat. Okay,
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, our light remains.
So to make this knotless braid, I'm going to first braid my first row. I just want to show you something very important. Now I'm done with my first row. Now this second row, if you want to pass the second row, you have to make your pattern go on top of the braid. Like the next braid you have to do has to fall in between their first row. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I mean, but you can see from the video that when you are trying to braid your knotless, your braids needs to fall in between the braids. That way it's going to look fuller, okay, than it falling same way, like same line. No, your braids needs to fall in between. Okay, to get neat parts you need to keep on repeating the same thing. Okay, now this thing I'm just showing you is just that I'm going to part the hair so that that line falls in between the braids. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, keep watching. I'm simply braiding. Each braids fall in between each braids fall in between each other. Okay, now this is the third row. This is how it looks. You can see. I do hope this video was very helpful. If it's helpful to you as a beginner, press the red subscribe button. You need to subscribe and follow up, and also follow my other YouTube channel because that's where I'll be posting most tutorials on. Okay, I'm going to put the link to in the description box so that you are going to follow me up there because I'll be posting more tutorials there. So this is what I mean. As you braid and go up your pattern, your braids needs to fall in between. It needs to fall in between. Okay, even though I am not adding braiding hair to this, but you can see how full it is. You can see how full it is. That's because it's going in between. Okay, so for your medium knotless braid, that is how to do your medium knotless braid. If you watch this video to this extent, press the red subscribe button, follow for more tutorials. Okay, press the like button of this video. See you in my next one. Bye.